walk across my front yard, and the ground is so hard the grass won't grow. I see the grime upon my truck, it needs a wash, but what the heck, I'll let it go. It doesn't rain in Georgia. It doesn't rain in Georgia. I feel like it's raining in Oklahoma. Probably raining in Texas too. I went down to my boat dock, and the boathouse ain't locked, 'cause the boat's long gone. I had to pull her out, you see. The lake is just a memory. The drought is on. It doesn't rain in Georgia. Lately it never rains in Georgia. I feel like it's raining in New York City. Probably raining in Jersey too. How many times I wondered, is it ever gonna rain? But no matter if it does or if the lake fills up, the Corps of Engineers is gonna let it out again. The water cops patrolling, trying to find the next poor sucker he can find. The weatherman says there's a chance that I can water my wife's plants. I know he's lying. It doesn't rain in Georgia. Lately it never rains in Georgia. I feel like it's raining in Seattle. Probably raining in Portland too. And Ohio, Indiana, Idaho, Nebraska, everywhere. It's sunny spray, but it ain't raining. It ain't raining in Georgia, 'cause it's never cool.